right, the first run of the Tamiya Blackfoot. Took me 20 hours to build this beast. Pretty much all stock. It's got the stock cam motor. I do got a cheap servo in there, which works great for all my builds. We are running a Z-Pack 1500 mAh 3S LiPo battery pack. So let's go ahead and get a quick look, and we're gonna go take her out there, take it for a little ride. Maybe we'll get a little bit of snow action and all that. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Gonna go out there and take this baby for a rip. All right, it is super soft out there. So let's go see what this baby could do. 3S full launch. Ooh, I was told this thing likes to roll over a lot, which is all right. I build them to run, guys. All right. Never owned one. Always wanted one when I was a little kid. Yeah, that's super cool. I love running these on the 3S. One of the main points of the video, just to get it out here, have some fun with it. And also, I want to let you guys know I did tape off, like my switch here. I do have my battery. The balance lead, I do have tape around that just to protect it from getting wet. Let's go ahead and maybe take this thing out in the snow real quick, see what it'll do. Not a whole lot of snow, but let's see what she does. Nice. Yeah, just can't steer it too fast. But I'm just curious on a bigger truck like that. If you guys remember my grasshopper video, I did a test on the battery, see how long it lasts, and I got 15 minutes on it. So let's see about this battery, or this battery with this size of a truck. It sure does look good, doesn't it? See if we get some donut action in here. Not quite. A lot of tires spinning. But it sure is a lot of fun in the snow. I would say it's about 40 degrees out right now, maybe 38 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, she handles a lot better than what I thought it would. Uh-oh. Problem. Okay, I think the issue here is, I'm pretty sure the pinion fell off. Let me go get that fixed and we'll be right back out. All right, we are inside at the bench, and I'm just gonna remove these two screws and see what's going on inside this pinion. All right, we are back in action. That was a simple fix. Heck yeah, there you go. So what I didn't do is put, whoa, boy, it's slippery out here. Oh, I think we're gonna get some mud action going on. But what I didn't do is put Loctite. Sorry guys, I didn't put Loctite on the pinion Allen screw. So this time I got Loctite. It'll set up overnight or whatever, maybe in a few hours, but I did put it on extra tight, so we should be in good shape for the rest of this run. Oh, that was, I seen some wheelie action going on there. Let's see. All right, guys, who wants to see this go out in the mud? I know I'm down for it. All right, let's go over here in the mud. You see my footprints right there, and I almost slipped. Back over here. Oh, cool. Oh, land up. Oh, perfect. She landed. Nice. Take her up over here in some of this soft stuff. Oop, got herself hung up on this branch. Ooh, she's getting dirty. That's okay. She gains traction, she wants to wheelie. I like that. We'll go walk out here to the snow and rinse off them tires a little bit. How many of you guys own a Blackfoot? The original one or the re-re like this one? For those that don't know, that's a re-release. I think the 2016 version. Comment below what you have and how you like yours. This thing so far is a blast, man. Super cool. Stay out of the tight turns or sharp turns and you'll be all good. Oh, I thought I was gonna be able to save it. Oh yeah, she getting dirty. That's how I like it. I can always buy another one if I want a shelf queen, but what's the point in that? I build them, go have fun with them. No need for shelf queens, or especially the people who buy the kits and just leave them in the boxes unless they're going to try to sell them for top dollar years from now. But me, life is so short, I'm going to have fun with them. Every one of my kits will be out here. Oh, yeah, gotta do the walk of shame. You know, so far, I'm really liking the small battery in here. It is a 3S LiPo. The ESC claims it can handle it. I don't think the motor is gonna like it too much. But yeah, I mean, check it out, guys. Decent power for this truck. I think any faster of a motor really would be too much for it. Eh, maybe not. Maybe go a little bit bigger. Just very tippy and high traction surfaces. Oh, gotta break this thing in the right way, right? Guess if I tone it down with a 2-cell LiPo, maybe it won't be so aggressive, so punchy. But I like it like that. It's fun about it. It'd be really cool if this thing was 4-wheel drive. Sweet. Start rolling over by some more mud. I wonder how this thing would be in the dust, like in the dirt. But you could get some good donuts and wow. Man, it's super gooey over here. cool. Whoa, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thing is awesome when it gains traction. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and check the motor real quick. Make sure she ain't getting that hot. Let's see here. Now she's looking like a truck. No, the motor's fine. It's warm, but it's not hot. I could leave it on for several seconds for sure. All right. Come back over, let's get some mud action. Oh no! You guys see that? Oh no! I think this just broke. Oh no, it just pulled off. That's right. That was that pain in the butt. Probably the worst part of this whole build was this tailgate. Probably. And remember guys, I did not paint this body. This body is raw. No, nothing broke. Just some screws there. As a matter of fact, I probably should call this a wrap because I don't want them screws vibrating loose and losing my washers and my nuts. So, but hey, check it out guys. It didn't break, but it did slip out. But it did hook. At least it didn't break, and that's a good thing. I can always attach it back on, no problem. Actually goes this way. So okay guys, what are your thoughts on this? Like I said, it took me about 20 hours from start to finish. My lovely wife helped me paint the driver. Took her about 2.5 hours to do that. And but yeah, the Blackfoot on 3S. Perfect. Gotta get that mud action in there. All right guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out to your friends. Have a great day.